Hello, wonderful friends. Tonight, I have a very special love and cozy nursery rhyme story just for you, all about our journey to dreamland. So snuggle in tight, get comfy, and let's begin our sleepy adventure together. The sun dips low, a golden hue. The day is done, and so are you. With sleepy blinks and gentle sighs, it's time to close your tired eyes. First, a warm bath, bubbly and bright, washing away the day's soft light. Splish and splash, then towel so deep, ready for secrets the night will keep. Then brush your teeth, a sparkly gleam, a happy smile, a sleepy dream. Pajamas soft, a cozy hug, like a little warm and sleepy bug. To your soft bed you gently creep, a fluffy cloud where dreams will sleep. The moon peeks in, a silver gleam, whispering softly, time to dream. The stars above begin to shine, each one a wish, a gentle sign. They twinkle bright by a sleepy show, as quiet breezes softly blow. Your head on pillows, soft and deep, secrets the night will gently keep. Your eyelids heavy, slow and low, like little boats that gently row. Hear the soft hum, a lullaby, as sleepy clouds drift slowly by. A gentle breath, a peaceful sigh, as day's bright worries start to fly. Imagine sheep so white and round, hopping softly without a sound. 1, 2, 3, they gently leap, guiding you deeper into sleep. Your toes are warm, your fingers rest, a peaceful feeling in your chest. Your heart beats slow, a gentle drum, knowing sweet dreams are sure to come. The world outside is hushed and still, over the valley, over the hill. No noisy sounds, no busy chase, just quiet calm in this soft space. You drift and float a gentle sway, leaving behind the busy day, into a world of magic light, where dreams unfold throughout the night. You're safe and sound, so warm and deep, as all the world begins to sleep, until the morning, fresh and new. Sweet dreams, dear friend, are waiting for you. And that's our long, cozy journey to sleep. Remember, a good night's rest helps us grow strong and bright for all of the wonderful adventures tomorrow holds. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope this story helps you drift off to the sweetest dreams. If you enjoyed this, please feel free to give it a like, and maybe even subscribe so you don't miss our next cozy story. Sweet dreams, everyone!